If you want to build a list of leads for your business fast in 2025, one of the best places to start is still Google Maps. It's packed with businesses in every niche you can think of. Restaurants, plumbers, salons, you name it. But if you've ever tried doing this manually, you already know how painfully slow it can be. Here's exactly what the process looks like. First, you search for the type of business you want to target, like restaurants in New York City. In seconds, Google Maps gives you hundreds of results. Sounds great at first, but that's where the grind starts. You have to open each business one by one, check their address, phone number, and website. Most of the time, Google Maps doesn't even show the email address directly, so you have to click through to the business's website. Once you're there, you start digging around on their contact page or scrolling all the way to the bottom of the site just to find an email. When you finally find it, you manually copy and paste it into your spreadsheet. And that's just one lead. If you need a list of hundreds or even thousands, this process could take you days or even weeks. That's the old school way. And honestly, it's exhausting. But if you want to get 10 or more leads today without wasting all that time, there's a much faster way. Instead of clicking through every business manually, you can use AI-powered tools. And one tool that really stands out is called Scrape the Map. Scrape the Map is a powerful software that completely automates the process of extracting business leads from Google Maps. Instead of spending hours manually copying contact details, this tool does everything for you in just a few clicks. It transforms your Google Maps searches into a fully organized leads file, ready to use for your outreach or marketing campaigns. With Scrape the Map, you can target over 4,000 different types of businesses, from restaurants and salons to dentists, construction companies, car dealerships, and so much more. You also have complete control over the locations you want to target. Whether you're looking for businesses in a small town, a major city, or even across multiple countries, this tool can handle it all. Scrape the Map supports data extraction from businesses in 195 countries, giving you access to a truly global database of potential leads. The software also comes with advanced filters to help you refine your search and focus only on the most relevant businesses. For example, you can choose to only extract businesses that have visible email addresses. Or you could filter for businesses that meet a minimum star rating on Google Maps. You can even target businesses based on the number of photos they've uploaded, making it easy to find more active and engaged companies. One of the biggest advantages of Scrape the Map is its ability to pull real-time data. Every time you run a search, the tool pulls fresh, up-to-date information directly from Google Maps. That means you'll always be working with current, accurate data instead of relying on outdated lists like many other lead generation tools. And here's the best part. Unlike most AI tools that trap you in expensive monthly subscriptions, Scrape the Map offers a one-time payment for lifetime access. That's right, you pay once and you can use the tool forever. No monthly fees, no surprise charges, and no annual renewals. Just one payment for a tool that could save you hundreds of hours while helping you grow your business faster. So, how do you get started with Scrape the Map? It's incredibly simple. First, head over to their official website. You'll find the link conveniently placed in the description below. Once you're on the site, go to the Download section, where you can choose the version that matches your operating system, either Windows or Mac. After downloading, just open the installer file and follow the easy on-screen instructions. The installation only takes a few minutes, so you'll be up and running in no time. Once you launch Scrape the Map, you'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly dashboard designed to make the entire process simple and intuitive, even if you've never used a lead generation tool before. Before using the program, you need to activate it using your license key. Simply paste the license key you purchased into the activation field and click Activate. Once the activation is complete, the software will be ready to use. The first step is to enter the type of business you want to find. This is your keyword, such as restaurant, plumber, law firm, or any other business category you want to target. Scrape the Map supports over 4,000 different business types, so no matter what industry you're working with, you'll be covered. Next, you'll need to specify the location. Start by entering the country you want to search in. Then you can narrow it down further by adding the state or province. Finally, if you want to be even more precise, you can enter the specific city. For example, you could search for restaurants in the United States in California, specifically in Los Angeles. This flexibility allows you to target exactly the area you want, whether that's a single neighborhood or an entire country. Once your search criteria are set, including the business type and location, all you have to do is click the search button, and Scrape the Map will take over from there. Within minutes, the software will scan Google Maps, find all the businesses that match your search, and extract their contact details automatically. The tool will generate a fully organized leads file that you can instantly download. This file contains everything you need for your outreach campaigns. The tool allows you to enable additional columns, giving you a comprehensive view of each business. You can see important details like address, website, email, phone, social media links, including Instagram and Facebook Google Maps, rating, and more. After the scraping process is complete for the first location, you can also view detailed stats about the data collected. This gives you a quick overview of how many businesses were found, how many had email addresses, how many listed websites, and other useful insights. These stats help you evaluate the quality of your data before moving on to your next search. And remember, you're not limited to just one location. After you finish scraping one city, you can immediately run a new search for a different area, building a large, organized leads list across multiple cities or even countries. With Scrape the Map, what used to take hours or even days can now be done in just a few clicks. Whether you're building a contact list, planning a cold email campaign, or gathering leads for your next big marketing push, this tool makes the entire process faster, easier, and more reliable. So, why waste any more time on manual lead generation? Unlock the power of Scrape the Map today and start building high-quality lead lists faster than ever before. Click the link in the description below to download Scrape the Map and see for yourself how effortless lead generation can be. And remember, it's a one-time payment for lifetime access. No subscriptions, no recurring fees, just unlimited potential.